Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a review and unboxing of the Greenlight Collectibles 1/24 scale 1976 Ford Gran Torino from the hit television show Starsky and Hutch. The box is themed very nicely like the car. Got the nice red with the white stripes. Got the Gran Torino on the sides and back of the box. As we can see here, limited edition 1/24 scale from the Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood line. Got a real nice backdrop in the box there, Starsky and Hutch. Is a Ford official licensed product. You can scan the code there to verify the authenticity. And greenlightcollectibles.com, you can view more of their products. This particular one was purchased from target.com. Alright, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Alright, now that we've got this unboxed, let's do a nice view, nice 360 view of the car here. It's got the nice white stripe painted on there. Got the radio antenna and the police light on the top there. On the front, you can see the license plate that the car had from the show, as well as the rear. See the Ford emblems on the front there. The nice bumper, the wheels like they had in this show, the Gran Torino badging on the side as well. And back at the Ford badging with the key slot for the trunk open. Now then, this model does not have a opening trunk or hood. The only opening components on it are the driver and passenger side doors, which everything is nicely molded on here. Nice interior door panels there. You see the little window crank. Got side view mirrors on it. See inside there, nice gauge cluster, the steering wheel and pedals back in there in the driver's side footwell, the rear view mirror. And these seats are positionable to a degree, kind of. They're not the most positionable in the world, but you can move them around. Back seat back there. On the passenger side, as you can see, there's nice detail on the light on the top there. They got the cord going down into it like one would be in real life on a police car. You can see they got the nice floor-mounted center console shifter there. And you can see the cord going down, and then they got the police radio down there in the passenger side footwell. Nice dash. Everything is nicely modeled on here. Nice interior. Nice door panel on the side as well. The doors are nice and stiff, so they aren't just flopping open. Got some nice resistance to them. I like the addition of the little radio antenna on here as well. It's just keeps it accurate. The underside of the vehicle here, as you can see, Greenlight Collectibles. This is number 1373. And let you know this is the 1976 Ford Gran Torino. It's, again, not the most detailed underside, but like it does the job. It, pretty nice for the vehicle. It's really nice, accurate to the show. Now then, my one thing that I do say on this one, the car sits level. In the show, I believe it had a little bit of a rake from air shocks in the rear. That would have been cool to see that, but at the same time, it's a very nice die cast for what you get. Nice bumper on the front there. Well, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed my review and unboxing of the Greenlight Collectibles 1/24 scale 1976 Ford Gran Torino from the television show Starsky and Hutch. Thank you, and have a great day.